Hello, good morning, student of class 5. र आज हामी सिक्न गइराखेका छौँ. We are going to learn addition of fraction. To do fraction, how to add? There are two methods. I'm teaching you by both the method. Okay. Let me copy this first number question. Did you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 by 5 and
Plus
3 by
10.
10. 2 times this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 times or not? Yeah. Okay, I'm starting. Okay. First is using cross multiplication method. Using cross multiplication is easy.
Yes, sir.
How to do that? Yeah. Cross multiplication method. 5 10 is 50.
Yes, sir.
We multiply denominator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One denominator is 5, another denominator is 10. Did you see?
Yes, sir.
This cross multiplication method. And we multiply 1 with 10.
Yes, sir.
That means 1 into 10.
10 plus.
And we multiply
5.
5 with 3.
Yes, sir. 3. 5 into 3.
5 into 3.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? And now we multiply the denominator first.
Yes, sir.
And we can do anyone else, okay? Your choice. 5 10 is
50.
50. 5 10 is 50. And 10 1 the 10 is
10.
at denominator. And 5 3 is 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The final answer will be, what do? We add
Add.
each other. Number becomes 25. Right?
Yes, sir.
25.
Yes, sir.
And another one is 50. So if we reduce it to the lowest term, number becomes 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? Do you know how?
1.
5 5 is 25. 5 10 is 50.
Yes, sir.
5 and 10 is still reducible.
Yes, sir.
Still reducible. My brothers. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
1 of numerator, 2 of denominator. Final answer is 1 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The addition has another method also. Should I show you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. This is by LCM method.
Yes, sir.
This is by LCM method, my brothers, my dear children. You should first find the LCM of the denominators. One is 5, another is 10.
Yes, sir.
Can you find the LCM of this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 5.
The student who has already learned LCM can easily find the LCM. The student who has not learned LCM must learn how to find LCM first, okay?
Yes,
I
sir.
have the link of the LCM, how to find the LCM also. Okay. 5 and 10 is divisible by 5 and the 5 and 5 to the 10. And another one is 1 and 1 1 1 and 2 and 2 1 2. How can we find the LCM? We multiply all these factored method. Factored numbers. 5 into 1 into 2 into 1. This is called, this product of these numbers called LCM. Okay. Number is, so I write here 5 is 10. Okay. 5 is 10. LCM is 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wow. What did I do? We write LCM at the denominator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here number is looking different here. Here is 50, but here is only 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do? Let us bring this number. Let us bring this number here.
Yes,
Here is 3 and here is 1.
Yes, sir.
Here is 3. And plus is between the two number. Some number is coming here, but how? Let us compare 5 and 10. 5 to the 10. Let us look this. 10 1 is 10. Now we can do here or either side, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number. So this is extracted. I continue here and here to here, okay?
Yes, sir.
1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3.
3.
And 10 is at the denominator.
Yes,
Number
sir.
becomes 5 by adding.
Yes, sir.
By adding, number becomes 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
5 by 10.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 3,
5.
5. And 10 is a denominator,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? And the final answer is 5 by 10. If we reduce 5 on the 5,
2.
5 to the 10, answer is
1 by
same.
2.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Here this is by LCM method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the final answer. Answer is same by both the. Now we will try this one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We will try this one, and after doing these 2 or 3, you can try all others too. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here is the question number 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One question number B.
B.
B of question number 1. At first, I will teach you by cross multiplication method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you already know how to solve by cross multiplication method. We first multiply 7 4 the 28. I will directly multiply. Okay,
9.
it is quite faster. 7 1 the 7, 7 4 the 28, 7 1 the 7, 8 9, 9. Right?
Yes, sir.
14 is multiplied with 3. So we can directly write the answer. 3 4 the 12, 3 1 the
42.
3,
Sir, 42.
42.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I was wrong. Ignore this, okay? This
Yes,
is wrong. I will try again here, okay?
Yes, sir.
5 by
14.
14, my dear children. And 2 number will be multiplied here and write at the denominator, place of denominator, okay?
Yes, sir.
Upper one is called numerator place and lower one is the denominator place. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I should multiply first for the denominator. 7 4 the 28. Can you multiply this
Yes, sir.
directly?
Yes, sir.
If you can. If you cannot, I will do it for you.
28.
And 7 1 the 7, 8 9. Right?
Yes, sir.
7 4 the 28, 7 1 the 7, adding to 9.
9.
This became number 98. And 14 is multiplied with
3.
3. Then 3 4 the 12, 3 1 the 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Multiplying 14 and 3, number became 42.
42.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And this number is 35. Right?
Yes, sir.
7 5 the 35. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we add 2 number at numerator place. 2 plus 5, 7.
7.
And 4 and 3,
7.
7. Right?
7. Yes.
77 by 98. Can we reduce it to lowest term? No, we cannot.
Yes, sir.
If we can, 7 1 the 7. Yes, we can. Just look here. We 77 and 98. We can try by 2. Right? But
Yes, sir.
unable to do this.
So about 77.
We can try by 7. 7 11 just 77.
7.
Right? No, 7 1 just 7. This is 9. Right? 7 1 just 7. 2 is for 8. Number become 28. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 7 4 the 28. Number became 11 and 14. Understand?
Yes, sir.
11 by 14. Wow, right answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is by cross multiplication method.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So let us find the sum of the number by LCM method also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The number is 3 by 7 and
plus 5 by
5 by
14.
14. Right.
Yes, sir.
So what is the LCM? Let us find the LCM first, okay? 7 and 14.
Yes, sir.
So wait, I am using another pen, okay? Just let us start. This is 7 and
14.
14. You may not be confused with this. Okay, I am drinking tea. Okay, now it is easy to do. This is 7 and 14. 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. 2 1 the 2. This is already 2. Hope you already know how to find LCM. LCM will be 7 into 2 into 1 into 1. 7 to the 14, 14 1 the 14, 14 1 the 14. Our LCM is 14. Let us write 14 at the place of LCM. No. Denominator. We are bringing this number 3 and another number is 5. Okay. What is between the plus? Okay. Here is the place of the sum number. Let us consider the 7 and 14. Denominator with denominator. Okay.
7 to the 14.
7 to the 14. Yes. Yeah. 7 to the 14.
Yes, sir.
14 1 the 14. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 14 as the denominator place and the 3 to the 6. Right?
Yes, sir.
And 5 1 the 5. We are finding answer directly. You know? 6 plus 5 11. 11. Another one is 14. Did you see here?
Yes,
11
sir.
and 14 and 11 14. Wow, answer is right.
Yes, sir.
Using both the method, okay?
Yes, sir.
Both the method. The answer is right, okay? Should I do one for you? One more for you?
Yes, sir.
So homework will be, others remaining will be the homeworks, and the answer of them will be solved in the next video, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I will like to do one more. And the last one today, in today's video, number C, okay?
Yes, sir.
1 by 8 and 3 by 4. I will do using both the method, okay?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiplication method and LCM method, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is the question, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you may feel it comfortable. Cross multiplication, okay?
Yes, sir.
8 for the 32 and 4 1 the 4 because number is multiplied cross, okay? 4 1 the 4 and 8 3 the 24 and what is between the plus. So what do we get?
So
28 and the denominator is
32.
32.
So this can
And
be
we can reduce this to the, if we reduce by 2 or 3 4
4 7
7 the 28 4 8 the 32. The final answer and the 7 by 8 is this is called lowest term of the fraction, okay?
Yes, sir.
The answer of the fraction must be expressed as the lowest term, okay? Lowest term or the simplest form of fraction. Simplest form of fraction. This is how to find the sum of two fractions by cross multiplication method. This is easy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then there is another method also, which make us no need to cancel to its lowest term. Let us try again. 1 by 8 and 3 by 4. Did you see here?
Yes,
and we try to find the LCM of 8 and 4 is, what will be the
4.
yeah.
4.
And I will give you one idea also, okay? 2 for the 2 to the and 2 to the and 2 1 the and 2 to the 2 1 the and we run until we reach to the 1 factor, okay?
Yes, sir.
1 factor and the LCM will be 2
6.
number will be 8.
4, 22. Oh, yes, sir. 8.
You don't know
Yes,
yet.
sir.
L C M 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8. LCM is 8. So we use the same LCM 8, okay?
Yes, sir.
What's the number at the numerator place?
1.
1 is at numerator place,
And three.
another is 3. So 8 1 the 8 means
Mean 1.
yeah. 4 to the 8.
8. 2.
Okay, 2.
Yes, sir.
You may not be confused with this. What's the number at the denominator?
8.
8. Huh?
Yes, sir.
1 1 is 1
1.
and another is 3 2 is 6.
6.
Okay.
7.
And number becomes 7 at the numerator place and the 8 at the denominator place. The final answer is 7 by 8.
Same.
Is the answer same?
Yes, sir.
Wow, clap for them. Okay. So, I hope you may have understand very clearly and properly. You may have been crystal clear with this. So, you can easily do the question number D, question number E and F. F, G, H and I is question homework for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If possible, you can try this also, okay?
Yes, sir.
Try this also. If you're unable to try, you can go to the links. You will get the link of this video. So I will do the next time, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Let us see you again in the next video.